Are you also too lazy to inflate Fitball or other things like that by your own breath? I got idea to use hairdryer instead of breath. So in this video I will show you how to do that. First, measure diameter of end of your hairdryer. I measured around 46 millimeters, so I modeled test ring with diameter 46 millimeters and print it out. Then I put it on my hairdryer and test it. Okay, I measured correctly, so I modeled this extension, which is in the description, but I'm not sure that you have same diameter of hairdryer. So try to scale it to correct size or try to model it by yourself. It is not so difficult how it sounds. Try Fusion 360, which is in my opinion good software for 3D modeling. And don't forget to turn off warm air function on hairdryer because it can melt your plastic extension. So let's see how it works.
Hit a like button, please.